Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Come December, the World Health Organization will facilitate a vote on how ganja should be classified going forward. Now, the vote will determine what the future of the medical ganja industry will look like. Here is Andrew Laidley.
Ganja is currently listed as a Schedule 4 substance. That means the plant is seen as harmful with limited medical benefits. It's also the most restrictive category of the 1961 Drug Convention signed by countries from around the world. For decades, this listing has stifled the growth of the medical ganja industry. But all that could change in a matter of months. Two Caribbean countries who are a part of the Commission on Narcotic Drugs are working to convince the other 51 members of the Commission to reschedule the plant. The decision was taken in January to put the issue to a vote, after new data showed untapped potential in the medical use of ganja. The 53 member states, including Jamaica, are set to vote on the recommendations in December. In the past, correspondent banking partners have used the classification to refuse business with any financier which engages in the medical ganja industry. Stakeholders are hoping the successful rescheduling will better position Jamaica to take advantage of the multi-billion-dollar industry. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The World Bank's goal to reduce the global extreme poverty rate to 3% by 2030 is being threatened by the coronavirus pandemic. The agency says the pandemic has dealt a severe blow to developing economies, wiping out much of the efforts made by the international community. Progress has been made to tackle the issue, with a share of the world's population living below the international threshold for extreme poverty dropping from 36% in 1990 to 10% in 2015. But the World Bank is concerned that the spread of the pandemic will have a disproportionate impact on the poor through job losses, loss of remittances, and disruptions in services such as education and healthcare. The Jamaican dollar continued to appreciate today. At the end of trading, the US dollar was being sold for $146.89. The Canadian dollar closed at $111.26. The pound sterling is going for $195.07, while the euro is selling for $174.10. The JC Index lost 2,070 points today, and the Junior Market Index slipped by 7 points. Among the winners were Kingston Properties, G West Corporation, Sterling Investments, iCreate, and Express Catering. On the losing side were Jamaica Stock Exchange, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Access Financial Services, General Accident Insurance Company, and Mailpack. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.